In this video, I'm going to show you how I created this beautiful area in my backyard by hanging these 25-foot string lights around my fire pit. This is a simple DIY project that will transform your backyard into a nice little retreat that you'll love. First, you're going to need to lay out where you want your 4x4x10 pressure-treated posts to go, then mark them out. I went 22.5 feet between the posts to create a nice little sag in the center, but you can go a little longer or a little shorter depending on how much sag you want. Next, we need to dig. A post hole digger is a pretty important part of the job, but a digging bar also helps a lot. You have to go pretty deep in order to hold it up. I went 30 inches deep to support the posts. Once your holes are dug, it's time to drop your post into the ground. Then you'll need to backfill and bury the posts. As you're backfilling and compressing the dirt around the post, you want to make sure the post stays level. Then continue to stamp the dirt down around the post until it's as solid as you can get. Then rake it out to clean it up. Now that the hard part's done, it's time to hang the lights, which are a lot easier. I just use small single-hole straps and drywall screws to attach the string lights to the posts, but there's plenty of other screw and hooks and options. After that, it's time to admire your work, crack a cold one, then sit back and enjoy the ambience.